Well, guys, we're going to be talking about two brand new vocabulary words today. Advice, A-D-V-I-C-E, and advise, A-D-V-I-S-E. These are two words that are called homophones in the English language. So what are homophones? Homophones are words that sound similar but have totally two different meanings, and they even spell differently. But before we get started, guys, as always, please like my page and hit that subscribe button down there for me if you have not already done so. And as always, guys, it would be greatly appreciated. So let's look at these two words, these two English vocabulary words that you must know in English. Let's talk about the first one, advice. I'm going to give two examples in sentences for you to comprehend, okay? And of course, if you do not understand any of the words, pause the video, use your English dictionary for comprehension in your own language, okay? So let's look at the first word, advice, A-D-V-I-C-E. Advice is giving someone guidance or recommendation with regard to a future action. Let's use this in two sentences. The first sentence, she visited the Cayman Islands on the advice of her doctor. Did you get that? Let's use it in another sentence, advice. She has been giving him some expert advice about investing his money. Did you get that? Let's go to the next vocabulary word in English, advise, A-D-V-I-S-E. What does it mean? What does it mean to advise someone? Well, you are offering a suggestion about the best course of action to someone. Let's use this in an example, in a sentence, two sentences. The first sentence, I advised him to buy a new laptop because the other one was unrepairable. It was broken. Did you get that one? Again, pause the video with the vocabulary words in the sentence here that I just went over with you for understanding and comprehension. Let's use the next sentence. I would not advise you to buy this car. Buy this car instead. Well, that's the two English vocabulary words in English that you must know. Study them. Practice is the key to understanding the English language, guys. Also, get a dictionary or use Google Translate in your phones to understand some of the vocabulary words in this lesson. Again, guys, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button for me. And also leave a comment, guys. I need your comments about the videos. If you like it, or you give me some suggestions on how to do better and what you like or what you don't like about the videos, it would be greatly appreciated. And hit me up on the next video for some more English vocabulary words. Go out there, make it a great day, guys, and I will see you doing the next English exercise. Bye.